Most breast cancers are detected by women who notice something new, a change in shape, a lump, or discomfort. When you know how your breast usually look and feel, you're more likely to notice these changes early, and early detection improves outcomes significantly. The ideal time is a few days after your period ends, maybe 7 days after your periods, when the breasts are less tender and hormonal swelling has settled down. Most breast changes are not cancer, but still important to observe and act when needed. Many women ask me if breast cancer can really be found early just by checking yourself. Well, the answer is yes. In many cases, the earliest signs are first noticed by the women themselves. Friends, I'm Dr. Jayanti Tumsi, a senior breast cancer specialist at Therapy Healthcare, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to do a breast self-check properly and explain why it's such a valuable tool in early detection of breast cancer. Now let's begin with why is it that self-examination matters. Breast self-checks are not a replacement for mammograms or clinical evaluations, but they do something equally important. They help you know your own body. Most breast cancers are detected by women who notice something new, a change in shape, a lump, or discomfort. When you know how your breast usually look and feel, you're more likely to notice these changes early, and early detection improves outcomes significantly. So let's discuss, when should we do a breast self-examination? Now, we recommend doing a self-check once in a month. The ideal time is a few days after your period ends, maybe 7 days after your periods, when the breasts are less tender and hormonal swelling has settled down. Now, if you're no longer menstruating, pick a fixed day each month, like the first or the last day of the month, and stick to it consistently. Now, let's move step by step through the self-check process. It's typically done in 3 ways: by standing in front of the mirror, in lying down position, and in the shower. Now let me tell you about the first step, which is the mirror check. Now start by standing in front of a mirror with your arms relaxed by your sides. Look carefully at both the breasts. You're checking for any visible difference in size, shape, or symmetry, or skin changes like dimpling, puckering, redness, or a rash. You're also looking for changes in nipple direction, or if there is any discharge coming out of the nipple. Now in the next, raise both your arms overhead and look again. Some changes are easier to spot in this position. You may also gently squeeze each nipple to check for any spontaneous discharge. The discharge may be bloody, milky, or clear fluid appearing without pressure should always be consulted by a doctor. The next step is in the lying down position. So now you lie down on your back, place a pillow under your right shoulder, and rest your right hand behind your head. Use the fingertips of left hand, the middle 3 fingers, to examine your right breast. Move in small circular motions using 3 levels of pressure while you are doing breast self-examination. The first is light pressure to feel just any abnormality under the skin. Next is medium pressure for some lumps which could be in the deeper tissue, and a firm pressure to feel the lumps which are close to the chest wall. Now follow a consistent pattern. It could be a circular pattern, or a spiral-like movements, or vertical lines up and down, or a wedge-shaped sectioning radiating from the nipple. When you're performing breast self-examination, cover the entire area from the collarbone down to the ribs and from the sternum to the side of the chest. Don't forget to check the underarm areas. The axillary lymph nodes can sometimes be the first to respond to early disease. Now repeat the same steps on the left side using the right hand. Another step which is also very important, which is called as the shower check. Now many women find the shower a practical plan to do this check. When the skin is wet and slippery with the soap on your body, it's easy for your fingers to glide and detect any unusual texture. Use the same circular technique with your fingertips and gently check both the breasts and underarm areas. So when you're doing breast self-examination, what should you watch for? Remember, most breast changes are not cancer, but still important to observe and act when needed. Please pay attention to a lump or a firm area that stands out from the surrounding tissue. Also look for skin dimpling or puckering. You also need to observe whether there is any nipple discharge and also the color of the discharge, whether it is clear or bloody. Any new asymmetry or swelling should be observed for. Look for persistent pain in one particular spot that does not vary with your cycle. Now, if something feels off or remains after your next cycle, don't wait. Make an appointment with your breast specialist. So finally, I would like to say that at Therapy Healthcare, we believe awareness leads to action and action saves lives. Breast self-checks are a small monthly practice that can lead to early diagnosis and more treatment options. If you have questions or if something concerns you, reach out to us. We are here to support you every step of the way. If this video has helped you feel more informed or confident, share it with a friend or loved one or someone you think would benefit from this. Thank you very much.